Did you know that a Haitian artist co-wrote one of your favorite Beyoncé songs? This collaboration is just one example of the incredible talent emerging from Haiti. It might surprise you, but Haitian talent has been quietly shaping the global music scene for years. From the vibrant streets of Port-au-Prince to the bustling studios of New York and Los Angeles, Haitian musicians are making their mark. From songwriting credits to featured verses, Haitian artists are increasingly collaborating with international superstars. These partnerships are not just limited to pop music. They span across genres like hip-hop, jazz, and even electronic music. This fusion of rhythms and cultures is introducing Haitian artistry to a global audience. The unique blend of traditional Haitian sounds with contemporary beats creates a fresh and exciting musical experience. The world is starting to take notice. Social media is buzzing with praise for Haitian musicians, and news outlets are highlighting their achievements. These collaborations are not just about catchy tunes. They are about cultural exchange and mutual respect, bringing diverse perspectives to the forefront of the music industry. They represent a significant shift in the entertainment landscape. Industry conferences and roundtable discussions are now focusing on the impact of Haitian music on global trends. Haitian artists are breaking barriers and challenging perceptions. They are not just participants, but leaders in the global music scene, earning awards and accolades for their contributions. Their unique sound, influenced by their rich heritage, is resonating with audiences worldwide. The traditional rhythms and melodies of Haiti are finding new life in modern music. A new era of appreciation for Haitian talent is dawning. As more people discover the richness of Haitian music, the global stage is set for these artists to shine brighter than ever before. Entertainment crossovers are like bridges, connecting worlds that might otherwise remain apart. They connect different cultures and musical genres, creating a tapestry of sounds and experiences. When a Haitian artist collaborates with a global star, they bring their unique sound and style to a new audience, blending traditions and modernity. This fusion of influences creates something fresh and exciting, a new genre that resonates with diverse audiences. These collaborations are not just about musical experimentation, they are about pushing boundaries and exploring new horizons. They also foster cultural exchange and understanding, bringing people closer together. Haitian artists share their heritage and stories through their music, offering a glimpse into their rich cultural tapestry. This exposure helps to break down stereotypes and promote appreciation for Haitian culture, fostering a sense of global community. In a world often divided, music becomes a universal language, uniting people through shared rhythms and emotions, transcending barriers and building connections. Despite their talent and contributions, Haitian artists often face an uphill battle in the entertainment industry. Underrepresentation in mainstream media is a persistent challenge. Limited access to resources and opportunities can make it difficult for these artists to gain the recognition they deserve. However, Haitian artists are resilient. They are driven by a passion for their craft and a desire to share their stories with the world. Through their music, they address social issues, celebrate their heritage, and inspire generations. Their journey is a testament to their unwavering spirit and determination to overcome adversity. Section 4. A Tapestry of Talent. Haitian Artists Making Their Mark. This chapter delves into the incredible journey of Haitian artists who are leaving an indelible mark on the global stage. From the vibrant streets of Port-au-Prince, where the air is filled with the sounds of street musicians and the energy of the city, to international stages, Haitian artists are making their mark on the world. Musicians like Wyclef Jean, Bello, and Felicia Ross have achieved global recognition. Their music transcends borders, captivating audiences with its infectious energy and powerful messages. These artists have not only gained fame, but have also become symbols of Haitian pride and resilience. Their performances are electrifying, drawing in crowds from all walks of life, and their songs resonate deeply, touching hearts and minds. These artists are not just musicians, they are storytellers, weaving tales of their homeland through melodies and rhythms. They are ambassadors for their culture. Through their music, they share the beauty, resilience, and spirit of Haiti with the world. Their songs often reflect the rich history and vibrant culture of Haiti, showcasing traditional sounds blended with contemporary influences. Their success stories are an inspiration to aspiring artists, proving that talent and determination can overcome any obstacle. They mentor the next generation, ensuring the legacy continues. These artists celebrate their heritage and inspire others to pursue their dreams, no matter the challenges they face. Their journey is a testament to the power of art and culture. Section 5. Celebrating success, inspiring change. The rise of Haitian artists on the global stage is a cause for celebration. It signifies a growing appreciation for diversity and a recognition of the immense talent that exists beyond traditional boundaries. This cultural exchange enriches the global entertainment landscape. Let's continue to support and celebrate Haitian artists, amplifying their voices and sharing their stories. Tell us about your favorite Haitian artist, or share a song that moves you. Together, we can create a more inclusive and vibrant entertainment industry that celebrates the richness of Haitian culture.